give you a quick tutorial on how to access our chatbot. So you would have a link like this that you're sending on, or you have a QR code that you're scanning, and you're just going to click start chatting or click on the link. And then the first word it will put in is new. So if you are a new registration, then you can just push enter and it will start the conversation. So what I suggest you do as well is that you add Tangible Africa as a contact. So you add it to your contacts list so that you have it saved. And save it onto your phone. Start with the menu item. So welcome to Tangible Africa, and there's a welcome message. Would you like to find more about what Tangible Africa does? If you don't have a lot of experience with us, you can click yes please, and it will give you just some information as well as the link to our website. So there's information about Tangible Africa, there's a link to our Facebook page and our website, and then you can click next. Then it's going to tell you about our teacher management system, which is our free course online. You can register now or register later. If you register now, it will give you the link that will take you to the external website where you can register. Okay, so here you're going to type your first name and surname. And then it should ask you your email address. And then it will ask you what school you work in or what organization you work for. Okay, then it's just going to double check that your details are correct. You click yes if it's correct, or if you click no, it will loop you through that cycle again. Okay, then you need to register. You can select more than one grade, but you just do it one at a time. So I want to register for grade 5, 6, and 7. Well, I'm just going to do grade 5 and 6 for now. So I click grade 5, and then I want to select another grade. So I click yes. And now I'm going to do grade 6. Okay, now I don't want to select another grade. I just want grade 5 and 6. So I click no, continue. Okay, now this is the end of the registration process. Now you will be able to select your phase to find the lesson. So I'm going to go to intermediate phase. And from here, I can select the grade that I want the plans for. So let's say I want grade 5. And then it will give me the lesson plan for grade 5 and the planner for grade 5. And then I can select another grade or select another phase, or I can click continue. Okay, and from there I can go to the main menu. So if I want to go back and, for example, go to the frequently asked questions or foundation phase area, or I want to go back, and if I didn't register for the teacher training the first time around, I can go back in and find the link for the teacher training. I can also find all the information about the grade. So I can go here to foundation phase, and it will show me all the previous foundation phase documents. So every time we add lessons in, we'll add them to here. But let's say, for example, I want to find the term planner, and I can find the term planner, let's say for grade 1. Okay, there's the term planner, and then I can go back and select another area, or I can go back to the main menu. If you go through to the frequently asked questions, then it will have some information. And it says here that if you can't find what you're looking for, you can email info@leverfoundation.org. But else there are a whole bunch of questions here that you can find out about Tangible Africa. So are the tools inclusive? And then it will give me some information about it. And then it will ask me if I want to go back and select another question, or if I want to go back to the main menu. So let's say I select another question. And then maybe when I've finished that, I want to go back to the main menu. So you can always navigate your way around this and find the information that you need. After 10 minutes, the chatbot will time out, and then you can always start it up again by typing in menu and hitting send, and it will bring up that main menu.